We all know how time-consuming generating subtitles in Premiere Pro can be, especially if you want to animate them or create a word-by-word effect. But today I'm gonna show you a super simple and free method that you can use to save a ton of time. Start by importing your video into Flixier. I'll put the link up on the screen, but you can also find it in the video description. Once it's uploaded, drag it down to the timeline and click on Generate Subtitles, and within seconds your subtitles will be ready. Now you can download your subtitles, preferably in the SRT format. Then open Premiere Pro, go to the text panel, open the Captions tab and choose Import Captions from File. You'll see that your subtitles sync perfectly with your timeline. And if you want to create word-by-word subtitles, that's also super easy. After generating the subtitles, you can split them word by word in Flixier, export them, and then import them back into Premiere Pro. And wait, there's actually even more you can do. Flixier can also help you animate your subtitles easily. Just select your subtitle, go to the second tab on the right, and you can choose from multiple subtitle animations that you can apply and customize however you see fit. This method will save you tons of time and make the editing process much smoother. Don't forget to follow us, and until next time, happy editing!